What if the myths surrounding supercars were merely the smoke and mirrors of our imagination? Join us as we peel back the layers of myth and reality. Contrary to popular belief, speed is not solely about horsepower. Aerodynamics play a pivotal role. Picture a bird slicing effortlessly through the air, just as a supercar glides over asphalt. The elegant curves and aggressive lines of supercar design are not merely aesthetic, they serve a purpose. Let's explore how each shape is a calculated decision, creating downforce that keeps these beasts grounded. Now, here lies a shocking truth. Maintenance costs are often exaggerated. Think of it like owning a fine watch. While upkeep may seem expensive, the value it provides is immeasurable. But isn't the roar of an engine what truly captivates us? It's an orchestra of engineering, where each rev and throttle sings a note of power. Feel the adrenaline as you immerse in the sound of raw performance. You might think supercars are only for the elite, but many models are surprisingly approachable. Imagine a hidden treasure within a sea of luxury. Some supercars are surprisingly attainable for passionate enthusiasts. What about top speed claims? These figures can often dazzle like the shimmer of a diamond, but they rarely reflect real-world driving conditions. The true test lies in how they perform on the road. Fuel efficiency is another misconception. Many believe it's non-existent in supercars. Yet, innovations like hybrid technologies reveal a different story, merging power with eco-consciousness. Let's ponder this. Is a supercar's horsepower merely a number? The real magic lies in how that power translates into an exhilarating experience. It's like capturing lightning in a bottle. Did you know that the first supercar, the Lamborghini Miura, debuted in the 1960s? Its design was revolutionary, like a phoenix rising from the ashes to reshape automotive history. Suspension systems are often overlooked, yet they are the unsung heroes of performance. Imagine a ballet dancer. Graceful yet powerful, they maintain balance and control at high speeds. And what about the belief that supercars are impractical? In reality, many are engineered for daily use, proving that beauty can coexist with function. Think of a lion that roams freely without losing its majestic grace. One myth that persists is that supercars are untouchable, but enthusiasts around the world modify, enhance, and personalize their vehicles, creating a community bonded by passion and creativity. What if we told you that technology in supercars often trickles down to regular vehicles? The innovations we see today are merely the forefront of future driving experiences. Let's consider the design evolution. Each new model is a chapter in an ongoing saga. Like a timeless novel, every iteration adds depth and character, inviting us to be part of the adventure. As we close this chapter, remember, the world of supercars is filled with legends and truths intertwined. What will you choose to believe, legend or hype? Join us next time as we continue to uncover the incredible tales of the automotive universe, and remember to always question the myths that shape our. Subscribe to our channel.